Akwewa Oyakwaba about GC News, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Hopeson Adorye children who said to me, and training back over in some of the hour say, and not the mobile back separa. We need Sympathy Biama, Hopeson Adorye. Now they did our workers as a man. Now I'm in something in our Bremo. Now, something in our Baba, Mr. Say, so we are subscriber to the channel now, Mr. Say, over subscriber. We are over say over click the subscribe button that barely notification no. We understand video for be upload no also once ever can be. I feel we are now like video no my thumbs up, give us a thumbs up now free. What share my offer for so any be share now wo humia air coso. I feel yanko NC minimum. Hopeson Adorye now only some of Kaya dynamite from Sammy what I said 2016 one to dynamite yes. You see anything probably to me Akoto one who I know I'm so my MPP for even about to and then police for a coaching or court near the I say me Kegua and when I branch about go on also ways and training I watch as a Hopeson church and then mobile back to 660. What I say a game, what I say camera is real. It's an say Hopeson, what I say a brand new airport or bouncy amount for just a number of Hopeson Adorye or no and you know na politicians for any and to one so. Is that when we bring when we bring the Broni at the end, one of our shikra. And you're branching with the ensemble door and to go for a Hopeson Adorye. Now, yes, I'm no intent tomorrow. You could see in some of the to go watch as a Hopeson and then mobile back who have no sympathy. So, was sympathy power my Hopeson David. Only sympathy be a Hopeson Adorye. Into our worker, such a minute, 1887.
It's an arrest in there. As a man for sympathy, but personally, I don't have sympathy for Hopeson Adorye. On his arrest, is he kama wiase pa otobo babo edan isaba also. I'm not saying that to say Hopeson Adorye is kama, but is he politics if wiase mere ninka so obi a wa manyomu just see Hopeson Adorye what they are going through as the game of politics.
Yes,
manante we no be pay wo krum ha no na budo do vino don't go for sin. And you Hopeson Adorye na give we the alleges on another a call out trying to play mu Broni get friends then. Oh, na do Serwaa Broni. I is no old man dwelling. No, can say Hopeson no a certain up and komukuno. Whether it's true or not. And you also never bounce on Kofu airport. My brother, politics, it's just a game. They are playing the game. And there's a man fire so passionate near the me Ubisa me Kofi Atta. I don't have a single sympathy for Hopeson Adorye in whatever politically there. It is a game. A game no more. It is a one to the game nasia. Obeka saying then my brother, when people have enjoyed people have enjoyed do baby ofro omokrana and na somebody won't say any afa phone ko na mo near the numbers aba telephone numbers nini munka mi ma wo mo look at them yen radio phones yen agimi we want content enti ni asode anopa na hubs no ni ade ni hype no and the fans are when yakra a champ president no. You see, these people want things that they are smart. Wow, at the time I no nenam say or they dynamite no meaning they near their day and there. He thought he was good. And I'm a at that time because you needed political power. You thought it was good. You forget about the ordinary innocent people. What that area want to create fear and panic for them. Say knockout or whatever, you just created it because you wanted political power. And then they are one cast when you Owusu. Oh, come on. I have no sympathy. Quote me everywhere. I don't have any sympathy for us. If any woman, I'm your fool, come on, I Jimmy. Senior, and then I cost will crow him. No, share there be on my would Timon say if you are not belonging to NDC or MPP, we are boa. We now Mexican Nibi. We now may Japade Papa. Dollar cost ring na him for na this kind of good. Any this political leaders here, cedi to dollar na e cost through businessman esu bibi no. When you get close to this young boys in political, they don't eat cedis, they eat dollars. omo na discount ma goro boys no no mo digina kwa ho nti sa cedi dollar na e kosoro na they are the direct beneficiary enemu ya na wo mani wie na ye kan e kan fam a na mo diminika edwane aba betoa yen me e ka me nkwa nka no even waste time discussing them, because at the end of the day when you were enjoying you move cry bia na ye frɛ okra wo nyeden. I remember 2016 these people when they come they beg us for airtime. No, COVID na mo mayem kasaka kra na omo nyina be nyampa wani wi a eno ano no. You see, but my kind of ha Rollins ye hu nkroma ye hu Agyapong but you hu Rollins amamu ye journalism okruma ye na me adom ye de kufuo sisu ne ye ti kruma ye journalism bonase Awurade adom atamels ye tena kruma ye journalism omo anu mu di omo chi a omo ne nante nyine ne ebi no ko mutim frɛ yen e kan se jack na de ho nyo nti mo ma ye kakra this is binum ne nkofo binum a omo just why no Mahama type ye tra kroma ye journalism Akufo-Addo type ye ti kroma ye journalism say ye nya radio politicians will go, politicians will come, we will be here. I always tell my colleagues, say we a journalist. My radio no kwanya wadwuma. Esem timpe bibi dem inside dem. Say the be a politician bi mebo dwe. Na o ma 500 bi wi a wodwen say wode ne kra nyina aye den amount. Nti I mean kuhuna I mean come on. They don't take us for granted. They don't many of them don't respect many of our colleagues.
Nukreni mini akofi me no ya 100%. I agree to you. Sympathy need me need bikura me I don't
Hopeson Adorye.
I don't have any ayibia mano sebi kasa or kasa no even within the party nukra no ne kasa na nye na anso mo akra na the odi ya man for the no abisu na edi bi ye no intino for me I don't have any sympathy say wakoye na wo koye ye na wo ka no na pese we dey wo besa ye bi wa na wo besa ye bi wa na ana say ye man fans for it aye na ye ga say why ade
a police for crowd chere crowd anka they are not serious in this country. No, you see try down Ghana you the emotions and a kasa
exactly me no ya adwe
Ghanaians talk only with emotions. Many Ghanaians
yes
ni a che Hopeson Adorye obi a wako kasa wako blow dynamite our voter region in 2016 now crime has no expiring date obi ntiase a o me ntiase kokko tran ba bi se woku obi 1998 ya betew by law you are supposed to be arrested. Crime has no expiring date. Na politically motivated
economic motivated
at the time I know you na dey be motivated
social church motivated.
You see say you try memu na ya nye careful ya nye serious as a country abrochira anka this man would switch him.
Yes kadi
no serious country Hopeson Adorye will be in prison by now. By the way ya chinawe am na ya popular ya jano because on my way kwan will be etimi ba betu bibi atum no bi akeka nkwasasem bia na ya boy ensema manwa because of political clout.
Yes
why must you have a sympathy for Hopeson Adorye for telling us
Sem koto the dynamite ekriti fear and panic.
What? As for mine
ni achina yes
ni achino ni edi achire na do ena de eh problem o my be ni achiri go because yachi a certain Hopeson Adorye a certain Hopeson Adorye a wo gira kroma the time I didn't be director for security there at the port. The man talks as if me kai me bia Lebanese ni bi omo deporte no the man they were just say with arrogance, with pomposity, and as if say to me na Hopeson Adorye and oh come on masa we just not serious.
We are not a serious country.
How
politicians
because with the frap politics no the substance of the case will be we only look at the politics. Why must somebody blame politics and blame a president because a certain Hopeson Adorye is arrested?
Your kind no
as Kennedy Agyapong
your kind no ebia na nipa bi kura wu ya kura se yenim.
Yes, Do you know what that thing might have cost?
Do you know the number of a year? Yeah. You know, sometimes.
And you be grand, I can say, Hopeson Adorye na akoyo. On one te baby.
You know, on one.
And one can ask him go join Tisa koya, yeah, or can say what didn't cocoa. And in a Japade, I obey. I dear Cheney and friend, nine punching. Yeah, Baba Dawasia, who's all I do a jay. Nay, a human kawa.
And one can say, oh, can be did.
Hey, did you want to cow?
I can be. Hey, what you free now?
Yeah, I go with a very rough father. Abba Dawasi. I don't know when you were there. I said, to send Rouse. Who could near Japan, I don't know the customary laws. When a land or a property is given, so what Nasia in law. And valid.
Okay.
Into what does here? Not a legitimizing.
Yes.
That is why you have to thank. It is Obi, and they say, we know where crowd. Na okaso udiwano ekaso mediweacho. Na se wa medasi na anka well
and transfer is
yes, automatically no. Anyane dia. Into by law, anything what the nsan ade keto bi edase na oye the public na manfo nyina hu say oh wa bedase with ade we aso udi bi wa no so de ache na it is legitimized and you can't take it back again. And obey ba bedase kura no fanom ne ade nade also enra we say go in Japade as no we ba did you make kawa this man way. You don't want to make a count some near motivated.
Church motivated and economic motivated.
The whole day. Hey, I we devoted the whole day for a certain Hopeson Adorye.
We are not serious.
And Peter, Enra, he was second. Peter,
we are not serious. We are not serious.
God have mercy.
The dollar affecting the pan. We center your attention on. You know, we make people who are not supposed to be popular or known.
Me worker nanka wa jai be jina oba hijama me yiwedi. Oh no, me yiwedi because you don't have anything doing. Me worker me juma eni na wa jai di Hopeson Adorye chi enra all because yachi a certain Hopeson Adorye me yiwedi.
Ebi ane na juma your fool.
Oh, e di ejuma for no we bi ejuma.
Me can say. See a politician in India. We are not serious. We are not
serious for once.
We are not serious. And I think say Chini no is 100%. Na abai me omon fam kwa chiri kakra. They should push it. Momo man me say ya na bill na de wete sam na de na die natural death. No, we have to let people know say be encancing hunu.
Ye to aba. Emma Minua doctor Techiman about 20 last 2020 election. Nipa be 5.
Yes.
Anyway. Because somebody want political power. These political actors here be the engineer and whether deliberate or not deliberate, it went into the favor of somebody.
Yeah.
Now after 10 years, now Obia Babe can say, oh, the people cry a bone to your head crown. Yeah, any a trans and a conspire any a plot here. Any a cowboy. Any a man to be a secret. Now somebody is telling me today, say the panel, you're Cochinwa, and you're politically motivated because a certain government is in power. Because a certain now it is a Hopeson Adorye, or that's what people would do. I said, when Quebec, 2016, Watremwa Babedine, Wanka, Yachini, I mean, you see, we are too hypocrite in Ghana. Now,
where our canon?
Yara for Yachumo
last week because the whole world,
Ghana,
yet so.
I mean, yeah, Ubia, what me any under what? I'm on the full be you soon at wedding question.
Oh, yes,
because Hopeson Adorye, and yes, what my power do. We have known him. I know him. I know. I mean, I know this recording. Come on, me they will go. But because me kai me wo feed them this man. O me timi bakuma o Kofi yesre. Kofi me beka sakakra na ye friend no ma beka kan. Untumi a ene oni emu bi nyina ante ado a ma so ya dadi. Because of untumi, I was sued for 6 million Ghana cedis. My station was sued for 3 million Ghana cedis. Minim Safeni defend the case na over Owusu. Another one was Ibrahim Mahama. He gave our network. Nkomodium sa to ayampia to nsem gu abonten wie na pa. You see, say young journalists so anya careful. Politicians will use us to get their gains.
And they send it.
Because when him say we are not. That is why I always say metra kuma FM ha. Say mekasa me from anopa 9 to 10. I need to dedicate about 60% of my airtime to look at development of my region.
Yeah.
Because, doc, we muni etiu. Se krona nye ya. Utimu yede. Faswabe ne wo so as a journal. That is why I mostly look at development-oriented stories, and that has made us unique from day one up to today. And people don't understand it. We don't follow the bank wagon. Why? Because and then some of na wo kondi amano onya power ofrena onfi. We know people we held their hands, say so woman sa in politics, introduce them to the greener pasture, and then you woke upon me before you were able to see them. They were all begging us for airtime. They come sit down with us. In fact, Sammy Gyamfi put the met say to some of us on Sesai.
Yeah.
But they were all people who nobody knew them anywhere. Yeah. We held their hand. Some of us, Kofi Asante, we held, and I'm happy. Sammy Gyamfi, for many occasions, about for a year old, and I will free him finally. He has, for several occasions, acknowledged to the fact, say, you moving, and your son and son, and the new politics more, a man about alarm line. Not necessarily he was doing his own student politics at our campus, but to come into the line, Yemubi held Sammy Gyamfi's hand, gave him to Kojo Bonsu as a PRO, and a free ho and a star the ABA. ABA, Yemubi ntimi and quiet said, your political boys, be ye take you home. Some of them still remember, some of them are still grateful. Some of them are ungrateful. They don't even know you. That is why Anayeka say, you are the late John Kumanum free mu Yemubi. What that personal because even when they lose, he drives to the house and say Kofi, thank you. Obo and Ghana Post. Obo drives straight to my house. Come to me, Kofi. Way back. What I say? But and then you see, politics is something. Ghana for my now. Men you be a chi, and Niaman ni be a chin konku because Obanwe ya on in a bush for an ADD. That is what you have to know.
Yo, waiting for winning and some years and training every 2 hour bro and some brings where Hopeson Adorye on just or no, he has no sympathy for Hopeson. Abra Hopeson airport or bouncy amount for just a Hopeson arrogant, you may be our year the day, just a politics is a game now or the Zebra Nara and the Tuga. Because GCD so and now we'll head on so when you subscribe, we are let's say over subscribe on like it now watch a video. Also, bet me actually working for a year and some way now who will comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.